Hey there, fitness warriors! Are you ready to pack on lean muscle and sculpt your physique? Today, we're diving into the world of muscle-building nutrition. Get ready to discover the 12 best foods that will fuel your gains and take your workout game to the next level. Let's get started. Number 1. Lean proteins. First up, the foundation of muscle-building lean proteins. Think chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, and tofu. They provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, packed with nutrients like vitamin D and choline that support muscle function and recovery. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich snack that also offers probiotics for gut health. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties for maximum benefits. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a double whammy. Its omega-3 fatty acids reduce muscle inflammation and enhance protein synthesis, aiding muscle growth. Number 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein source with added fiber. It's perfect for post-workout meals to refuel and repair. Number 6. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are versatile and loaded with plant-based protein and fiber. They're a fantastic addition to salads and bowls. Number 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese provides a slow-release protein source, making it an ideal bedtime snack to support muscle recovery overnight. Number 8. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is a low-fat protein source, perfect for muscle building without excessive calories. Number 9. Almonds. Almonds offer healthy fats and protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack that fuels your gains. Number 10. Brown rice. Brown rice is a complex carbohydrate that replenishes glycogen stores, supporting energy levels for intense workouts. Number 11. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in carbs, fiber, and beta-carotene, promoting muscle recovery and growth. Number 12. Leafy greens. Lastly, leafy greens like spinach and kale provide essential vitamins and minerals, supporting overall health and muscle function. And there you have it, the 12 best foods for muscle building. Incorporate these nutrient-packed choices into your diet to amplify your gains and achieve your fitness goals. If you found these tips inspiring, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition content. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Here's to building the muscle-bound physique you've always wanted.